Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
I support the proposal.
I support the proposal.
Is this good material?
Is this good material?
Reading has its rules.
Reading has its rules.
Please keep me updated.
Please keep me updated.
I thought about Tom.
I thought about Tom.
They took the subway.
They took the subway.
We certainly should have won.
We certainly should have won.
You're not alone anymore.
You're not alone anymore.
This box is light.
This box is light.
Can I bring him?
Can I bring him?
He held his breath.
He held his breath.
He calculated the expenses.
He calculated the expenses.
Maybe I should quit.
Maybe I should quit.
Tom won't fail us.
Tom won't fail us.
Alan is a poet.
Alan is a poet.
There are enormous risks.
There are enormous risks.
I should visit Kyoto.
I should visit Kyoto.
That's what everyone does.
That's what everyone does.
He painted a dog.
He painted a dog.
Don't provoke that wasp.
Don't provoke that wasp.
I'll certainly miss her.
I'll certainly miss her.
Unexpected results were announced.
Unexpected results were announced.
She regretted it afterwards.
She regretted it afterwards.
He speaks so vividly.
He speaks so vividly.
Where will we meet?
Where will we meet?
We have common interests.
We have common interests.
We long for peace.
We long for peace.
I think I'm resolute.
I think I'm resolute.
Please give me money.
Please give me money.
This is really cool.
This is really cool.
They're ringing the doorbell.
They're ringing the doorbell.
Admit it, we're lost.
Admit it, we're lost.
I'm indebted to Tom.
I'm indebted to Tom.
He doesn't like coffee.
He doesn't like coffee.
Tom doesn't like tennis.
Tom doesn't like tennis.
What's the special today?
What's the special today?
It's a funny story.
It's a funny story.
It's time for dinner.
It's time for dinner.
It's not even funny.
It's not even funny.
For your undesecratable deeds.
For your undesecratable deeds.
It's a roasted egg.
It's a roasted egg.
It's 5 to 6.
It's 5 to 6.
My cheeks were red.
My cheeks were red.
I can't get in.
I can't get in.
We all love her.
We all love her.
Tom always seems happy.
Tom always seems happy.
I did it quickly.
I did it quickly.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. We'd better humor them.
We'd better humor them.
There's a better explanation.
There's a better explanation.
Is she your teacher?
Is she your teacher?
My glass is dirty.
My glass is dirty.
I cannot stand headaches.
I cannot stand headaches.
The beefsteak tasted marvelous.
The beefsteak tasted marvelous.
This is just amazing.
This is just amazing.
Tom is helping me.
Tom is helping me.
I'm considering my options.
I'm considering my options.
What's your favorite music?
What's your favorite music?
Tom is quite efficient.
Tom is quite efficient.
How many people died?
How many people died?
Tom should be angry.
Tom should be angry.
We saw them yesterday.
We saw them yesterday.
The sewer pipe exploded.
The sewer pipe exploded.
His room is untidy.
His room is untidy.
That's a wise decision.
That's a wise decision.
Tom rarely speaks French.
Tom rarely speaks French.
The operation went smoothly.
The operation went smoothly.
Can I see them?
Can I see them?
We're still very busy.
We're still very busy.
I don't remember that.
I don't remember that.
Harry is only 40.
Harry is only 40.
We'll go visit Tom.
We'll go visit Tom.
Is Tom helping Mary?
Is Tom helping Mary?
He likes that book.
He likes that book.
You don't impress me.
You don't impress me.
Let's start right away.
Let's start right away.
Here's my membership card.
Here's my membership card.
I like coffee better.
I like coffee better.
She is holding it.
She is holding it.
My girlfriend is Chinese.
My girlfriend is Chinese.
Yes, he's at home.
Yes, he's at home.
I need more power.
I need more power.
We haven't been introduced.
We haven't been introduced.
You can't go further.
You can't go further.
He descended to stealing.
He descended to stealing.
I hate my body.
I hate my body.
I haven't had lunch.
I haven't had lunch.
It's a tense situation.
It's a tense situation.
Well, now you know.
Well, now you know.
You mustn't tell anyone.
You mustn't tell anyone.
Your letter crossed mine.
Your letter crossed mine.
He hasn't come yet.
He hasn't come yet.
Tom is a hero.
Tom is a hero.
There's been some trouble.
There's been some trouble.
The wind failed us.
The wind failed us.
You're on my land.
You're on my land.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Tom is my friend.
Tom is my friend.
Galway, what a place.
Galway, what a place.
The movie was horrible.
The movie was horrible.
My university has dormitories.
My university has dormitories.
Tom works at home.
Tom works at home.
Our project fell through.
Our project fell through.
So what's going on?
So what's going on?
Tom speaks relatively fast.
Tom speaks relatively fast.
Tom noticed Mary's mistake.
Tom noticed Mary's mistake.
Everything happened too fast.
Everything happened too fast.
Are they speaking French?
Are they speaking French?
That's certainly not it.
That's certainly not it.
Is it going well?
Is it going well?
My feet are freezing.
My feet are freezing.
She blushed with shame.
She blushed with shame.
Does that seem wise?
Does that seem wise?
We had been soldiers.
We had been soldiers.
Maybe there's a loophole.
Maybe there's a loophole.
Tom tends to exaggerate.
Tom tends to exaggerate.
Bill is always honest.
Bill is always honest.
I'm always under stress.
I'm always under stress.
She started to cry.
She started to cry.
Hey, wait for me.
Hey, wait for me.
I'm out of here.
I'm out of here.
Fate smiled upon me.
Fate smiled upon me.
Don't make her angry.
Don't make her angry.
What's the plan, then?
What's the plan, then?
Tom usually works late.
Tom usually works late.
I write the book.
I write the book.
It's what we deserve.
It's what we deserve.
I have 2 cats.
I have 2 cats.
He visited Kyoto twice.
He visited Kyoto twice.
This directly concerns Tom.
This directly concerns Tom.
I don't deserve it.
I don't deserve it.
The food was wonderful.
The food was wonderful.
You guys looked mad.
You guys looked mad.
Paulo was found dead.
Paulo was found dead.
I received my bonus.
I received my bonus.
Its color is red.
Its color is red.
Tom's promotion came through.
Tom's promotion came through.
Paul has dry hair.
Paul has dry hair.
I needn't have hurried.
I needn't have hurried.
Let's play some tennis.
Let's play some tennis.
I was completely innocent.
I was completely innocent.
Tom needs some time.
Tom needs some time.
I like pop music.
I like pop music.
Turn the other cheek.
Turn the other cheek.
I hope you're happy.
I hope you're happy.
Tom was home alone.
Tom was home alone.
I wasn't very motivated.
I wasn't very motivated.
See you next week.
See you next week.
All our attempts failed.
All our attempts failed.